This is GitHub Trending Weekly number 5, and today we'll explore the 19 most trending GitHub repositories making waves this week, from AI and developer tools. Whether you're a coder, researcher, or builder, these repos will give you something new to clone, learn, and experiment with. Let's dive into this week's trending open source projects. First up, CommonForms, a project that automatically converts any PDF into a fillable form. This repo introduces a dataset for form field detection, turning document understanding into an object detection problem. The team started with 8 million PDFs, filtered them down to 55,000 documents, covering over 450,000 pages, in multiple languages and domains. What's cool is that they didn't just stop at data. They also released FFDNet, a pair of open-source models that detecting text inputs, checkboxes, and signature fields with precision. Next up, meet TinyRecursiveModels, or TRM, proof that in AI, less really is more. This open-source project explores recursive reasoning with small neural networks. We're talking just 7 million parameters, yet it scores 45% on ArcAGI-1 and 8% on ArcAGI-2, outperforming models thousands of times larger. The magic? TRM doesn't rely on massive data or billion-dollar GPUs. Instead, it recurses on itself, refining its own answers over multiple reasoning steps. A minimalist approach that's rewriting how we think about intelligence in small models. Coming in next, ElevenLabs UI, a sleek open-source component library that helps you build audio and agentic applications. Built on top of shadcn/UI, this toolkit gives you ready-to-use React components, from waveforms and voice agents to audio players and chat orbs, all styled beautifully with Tailwind. You can drop them straight into your Next.js project with a single CLI command and instantly start creating multimodal. Whether you're building a voice-enabled app, a real-time transcription tool, or a chat agent with sound, ElevenLabs UI saves you hours of design and setup. Next on our list is Dexter, an open-source financial agent in just about 200 lines of code. Imagine Claude Code, but built specifically for financial analysis. Dexter plans tasks, runs autonomously, validates its own work, and even researches stocks, all using real-time market data. It's powered by open tools like LangChain for managing LLMs, prompts, and outputs. And the best part? You don't need coding experience to get started. Under the hood, Dexter breaks complex financial questions into step-by-step research plans, executes them, and refines the results until it's confident in its findings. Next up, Firm, a new way to manage work, where your entire business is treated as code. Think of it as a text-based work management system for technologists, one that replaces scattered SaaS tools with simple, version-controlled text files you actually own. With Firm, your business becomes a graph. Customers link to projects, projects link to tasks, and people connect to organizations, all defined in a lightweight DSL stored locally on your machine. It's open, customizable, and automation-friendly. You can search it, report from it, or plug in AI tools that read and write directly to your business structure. Meet FullstackAgent, an AI-powered full-stack development platform that lets you build and deploy web apps with natural language. Powered by Claude Code and Kubernetes, it turns your ideas into working applications, all from simple text commands. Each project spins up its own isolated sandbox, complete with automatic PostgreSQL provisioning, GitHub integration, and even a built-in web terminal, so you can interact directly with your environment. Think of it as your AI-powered full-stack assistant. Code, deploy, and iterate, all from one intelligent command line. All right, here's one that's guaranteed to stir up some drama. It's called whatsthat, a brutally honest WhatsApp web analyzer that exposes the hidden politics in your group chats. This Chrome extension quietly tracks reactions and replies to reveal the social gravity you feel but can't quite prove, like who gets ignored, who secretly runs the chat, and who just thinks they do. It surfaces relationship maps, influence scores, and bias patterns, all locally stored. Nothing leaves your machine. You'll see who reacts to whom, when people actually pay attention, and which members have formed reaction cartels. Next up, BentoPDF, a privacy-first client-side PDF toolkit that lets you edit, merge, split, and process PDF files directly in your browser. Everything happens on your machine. No servers, no limits, no waiting. You can merge, split, rotate, extract, or reorder pages with drag-and-drop simplicity. It even includes editing tools for adding watermarks, headers, signatures, or running OCR, all built using modern web tech for lightning-fast performance. Whether you're securing a document, compressing it, or converting Markdown straight to PDF, BentoPDF gives you full control, totally free and open source. Let's talk about Neura Hustle Tracker, a cross-platform productivity tracker that watches what you actually do, not what you think you're doing. Built entirely in Rust with a slick Ratatouille terminal dashboard, it logs every app you touch, from VS Code to Chrome, and shows your day as a visual timeline of focus, distraction, and deep work. It's local first, stores data in PostgreSQL, and refreshes every 5 seconds, so your hustle stats are always live. You'll see who your real-time thief is: Slack, Spotify, or Stack Overflow. Meet Puffin Thinking, a multimodal model that integrates camera geometry directly into its neural reasoning. This model doesn't just process images, it understands focal length, field of view, perspective, and even the intent behind a shot. It runs what the researchers call thinking with camera, decoupling geometric context, predicting parameters, and linking visual cues to real-world photographic principles. The secret behind it? The Puffin 4M dataset. 4 million vision-language camera triplets that teach AI spatial imagination and cross-view reasoning. If you've ever lost track of your scheduled jobs, meet your command line best friend, Cronboard. Cronboard is a terminal-based application that gives you a clean, human-readable view of all your cron jobs, both local and remote. It's built for system administrators, DevOps engineers, and anyone who lives inside a terminal window. With Cronboard, you can add, edit, pause, or delete cron jobs in seconds. No more manually editing cron tabs and hoping you don't break syntax. It connects securely via SSH, supports both password and key authentication, and even shows last and next runtimes in a beautifully formatted way. Ever noticed how search results often look exactly the same at the top? Enter Pyversity, a lightweight Python library designed to make retrieval results more diverse without losing relevance. Pyversity implements popular strategies like MMR, MSD, DPP, and cover to efficiently re-rank results, ensuring you get items that are both relevant and varied. The API is simple, fast, and only depends on NumPy, so even thousands of results can be diversified in milliseconds. Whether it's e-commerce, news search, academic retrieval, or feeding LLMs with non-redundant passages, Pyversity helps you explore more and repeat less. Imagine an AI that doesn't just chat about tasks, it uses your computer to get them done. That's Open Computer Use, an open-source platform for autonomous AI agents with computer control. These agents can browse the web like humans, searching, clicking, filling forms, and extracting data, run terminal commands, manage files, and execute scripts. Control desktop applications with full UI automation, Windows, mouse, keyboard, and even screenshots. With a multi-agent orchestration system, complex workflows are broken into smaller tasks, executed sequentially, and reported back in real time. Next up is Blaze, a tiny, hackable, full-text search engine built for hackers, not hyperscalers. Blaze implements inverted indexing, Boolean queries, phrase search, proximity ranking, and BM25 scoring, all in a small, understandable Go code base. If you've ever wondered how search engines work under the hood, Blaze lets you explore tokenization, stemming, stop-word filtering, and index structures, all without the overhead of massive systems. It's thread-safe, fast, and serializable, making it perfect for learning, prototyping, or building small-scale search apps. Meet Keyer, a one-handed, fully customizable keyboard that lets you type with minimal finger movement, freeing your other hand to sip tea or do literally anything else. Using just 10 mechanical keys, Keyer supports hundreds of chords, arpeggios, and multi-layer shortcuts, enough to type efficiently even if you lose a finger. The magic is in its DIY moldable design. You build a metal wire skeleton, cover it with modeling clay, attach key switches, and flash the firmware. The end result is a keyboard that literally fits your hand. And if you're feeling adventurous, Keyer can even be paired with smart glasses or sensors to control your computer without touching it. Meet Everywhere, an interactive AI tool that understands your screen context without any screenshots, copy-pasting, or switching apps. Need help with an error message? Just invoke everywhere next to it and ask, "What is this error? How do I fix it?" Instantly, it interprets the message and guides you to a solution. Reading a long technical article? Highlight the text and request a 3-point summary. Everywhere delivers concise, relevant insights in seconds. Encounter foreign language text? Translate it instantly without leaving your window. Writing an email but unsure of the tone? Everywhere can refine it into polished communication with a single shortcut. Next up, Mina Rich Editor, a block-based rich text editor built with Tailwind. Created by Mina Masood, a 22-year-old developer, this editor is lightweight and customizable. Introduces full-featured table support with spreadsheet-like capabilities. Drag to reorder rows and columns, resize cells. The editor's enhanced drag-and-drop system brings intelligent drop zones, block swapping, and error-free movements, making layout manipulation incredibly fluid. Under the hood, it's built on semantic HTML structures, TypeScript types, and state management, proving that developer experience can be as refined as user experience. What if your AI could make movies that never end? Meet Stable Video Infinity, an open-source framework that can generate videos of any length with smooth transitions, story continuity, and temporal consistency that looks straight out of a professional studio. Instead of a single static prompt, SVI uses a prompt stream, a sequence of evolving text inputs, to control how each short clip transitions into the next. That means you can literally script a story scene by scene using text. Want a 5-second action scene, then a sunset dialogue, then a chase through a neon city? Just describe it. SVI will seamlessly stitch it together, end to end. Next up, Sora MCP Server, a bridge between OpenAI's Sora 2 video generation API and your favorite MCP clients like Claude or Cursor. With this server, you can generate, remix, and manage AI-generated videos, all from your development environment. It supports both SteedIO and HTTP transports, meaning you can run it locally with Claude Desktop or connect remotely for full multi-client access. Need a video of a calico cat playing piano on stage? Just send a prompt, and Sora MCP handles the rest: generation, status tracking, remixing, even downloading your final video.